Okay, stop scrolling. Seriously, you need to see this. The T-Rex didn't go extinct, it just got angry. Introducing the ultra-limited 2027 Ram 1500 TRX SRT 777 edition. And no, your screen isn't broken. That color is 100% factory. Ram calls it Venom Green, and honestly, it looks absolutely radioactive. We have 3 minutes to find out if this 777 horsepower monster is just a show pony, or if it actually lives up to the hype. Let's rip. First off, just look at the stance on this thing. The TRX was already a wide-body beast, but this 777 edition feels even meaner. That Venom Green paint against the satin black hood is a total neckbreaker. You literally cannot ignore it. Up front, the functional hood scoop is practically inhaling air, and you've got those signature amber marker lights lurking inside. It's sitting on distinct 18-inch black beadlock-capable wheels wrapped in massive 37-inch all-terrain tires. This isn't some pavement princess you park at the mall. This thing is built to jump dunes and embarrass sports cars. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the monster under the hood. The 777 on the door isn't just a cool number, it's a warning. Ram tuned this supercharged V8 to crank out exactly 777 horsepower. That is a jackpot of power. They tweaked the supercharger pulley and the airflow to squeeze every drop of adrenaline out of this engine. 0 to 60, it happens in 3.7 seconds. Launching this truck feels like getting kicked in the chest by a mule. And the sound? Man, the sound. It's a mix of supercharger whine and a deep, guttural V8 roar that will absolutely wake up your neighbors. And they will hate you for it. Hop inside and the vibe switches from Mad Max to luxury lounge. The cabin is draped in black Alcantara and premium leather. But look at the details. The seats, the dash, the steering wheel, it all ties together. Right here on the center console, there's a serialized plaque. That's your bragging rights. It tells you exactly which number your truck is in the production line. And dominating the dash is this massive new 14.5-inch vertical touchscreen. It's huge. It runs the latest Uconnect 5, it's lightning fast, and it looks crisp. You've also got a 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. But let's be real, you're gonna turn the music off just to hear that exhaust note. In the back, it's still a Ram. Huge legroom, reclining seats, and a bed that can actually do work. But come on, you aren't buying this to haul plywood from Home Depot. You're buying this to haul, well, you know. So, here's the painful part, the price. The 2027 Ram TRX SRT 777 starts at a wallet-crushing $125,000. Yeah, I know, it's steep. But think about it. You're getting a factory-tuned limited edition super truck that eats Raptors for breakfast. It is the ultimate flex. If you have the cash, this is practically an investment. If this Venom Green beast got your heart racing, do me a favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And I want to hear from you in the comments. Is 777 horsepower enough? Or are you waiting for the 1,000 horsepower barrier to break? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Rev 3 and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next beast we review. Catch you guys in the next one.